Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to log out of your account here on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Squarespace, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Logging out of your Squarespace account is a straightforward process that is an important practice for security and privacy. Once you're logged into your account, okay, so it's really easy thing to do because logging out prevents unauthorized users from accessing your website's backend, where they could potentially alter important settings, modify content, or access private data such as billing or customer information. Now, all you have to do is click the gear icon at the bottom left corner. Once there, I want you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see the profile icon. And there's going to be an option that says log out. Because staying logged in, especially on shared devices or public computers, increases the risk of someone accidentally or maliciously making changes to your website without your knowledge, alright? For example, if you're using a shared device from your family computer, office computer, or public library device, logging out prevents others from accessing your Squarespace account after you have finished your session. On public or untrusted networks, logging out helps reduce the risk of data theft or privacy breaches. For example, if you remain logged in and your session doesn't expire properly, hackers could potentially hijack your session and access your account without needing your login credentials. Now, if you are having problems logging out of your account, there could be shooting steps that you need to do. For example, if there's going to be a glitch or a bug, and for that to be fixed, you need to get some help from the Squarespace customer support. Just wait for it. Now from here, you might want to browse the product that is related to your question. You see, live chat availability is limited, but the email is available 24/7. There's going to be a chat bot here wherein you can type in for a new conversation, type in your message to see if we get an answer. Otherwise, on the contact us option here at the bottom, right here, you might want to send them an email, alright? Choose a topic, and once you get a hold of the customer support staff, tell them you are having problems or having issues logging out on your Squarespace account. And of course, they would give you troubleshooting steps on how to fix them. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.